Hello friends, this video is how to create Shopify dev stores and partner account. Through the partner account, so we need to create a first partner account. So please go to Google and type Shopify Partner. So first we need to create a partner account if you are a developer. So click this first link and join now. Here is a why you want to create a Shopify partner account. Suppose I want to create a for client, individual, and app development and theme development if you are developer. So go with any options. So click and then next. Then where your business located and country name and select state and then next. Here is a business name. Suppose you are running any IT company and any business, then you can mention. Otherwise, you can mention as a dummy name like XYZ anything, and then email ID and address to and city zip code and then next. Yep. So you need to follow basic information, then next and then complete. Then I have already created a partner account, so I no need to for create again. So I have go to with my partner account. This is a platform after completing the scenario of next this platform. So in this video we are going to create a how to create Shopify dev stores. So here is a two options: request access and build a new store. So this we will cover up another videos. So right now we will cover up this one. So we are going to create a new development store for testing. So create a development stores, click on. So here is a lots of options you can see. So why you want to create for the client and for testing and for building. So I'm going for the client. Basically in this store we can transfer in future. Suppose you are creating for the client. Suppose you are developer, you are creating a store for client, and when you complete it, then you can transfer the ownership for your client. Then you need to go with this first option. Otherwise, if you are if you are doing for testing, then you need to click on second. And then here is here you need to add store names like books. Yep. So you need to find any URL name. This is a store URL name for the admin. Like this is a admin URL for now. We will cover up in the next videos and how can we use store URL in for the request access for the collaborator access. So go to next and latest build and if you developer and preview and advanced and developer preview, and so developer preview and go to here is a lots of option for the global nav and online store for color schema and checkout extendability. Here is a if you are aware of this Shopify, so in basic Shopify you have not control of checkout edit like a liquid programming. So if you want to modify checkout file, so you need to go with this and then data configuration. And if you want to, here is a one more options. If you want to fetch dummy data like in a empty stores. So if you click this first one, then store is empty, all empty, no product, no orders, no anything. If you go with the start with the sample data, then you can click this one. So I want to sample data, so I'm click this one and create a development stores. It will take 1 or 2 minutes for the creating a store, so wait. Yep, the store has ready for development. Here you can see, we already told you, here is a lots of 10 dummy orders. If you go with the product, here is a products collections. So you can see all the things, and if you want to preview, then go to scroll down and sell channel online stores, and then here you can see I icon, so click on this and then you can see. I think right now it's some waiting because store has taking some time. Yeah, store has created, and now you can see it's just 10 net. You can create it for demo and development stores for your client and for your testing purpose. Now you can manage all the things. So this is a admin stores. So if I administer, this is a front end. So that's all we will cover up in the next video, in how to create a product and how to create a customer collection pages, these type of steps. So thank you, see you again, bye.